it's almost like what tokenization is going to be. Tokenization is one of the next big things that's going to happen, where they're going to take everything in the world and they're just going to tokenize it. So anybody can buy tokens and get ownership of different assets through these tokens. So with stock, if you want to do real estate, you can look at real estate investment trusts. If you want to invest in Africa, there's ETFs that invest in Africa. If you want to invest in tech, there's stuff out there for tech. I just gave you that list of some AI stocks, healthcare, all that stuff. So I would spread across just different industries, um, different sectors, different geographies, and spread your money out as much as you can. All right, so Rhonda, Black AI Enhanced. Yes, if you go to blackaiconference.com, Black AI Enhanced is the code word to get the discount. I don't know if the discount's still available though. They were supposed to end it yesterday, but it may be available, may not be. But blackaiconference.com is the website. Kimberly Johnson, when is it a good time to set my investment account to margin? A good time to set it to margin. It depends on when you want to use margin. If you want to use it now, then I guess you could go in and set your margin settings. If you're stuck on that, just talk to your broker, whoever, Fidelity, Schwab, whoever, or Robinhood. Just talk to their customer service. They can definitely help you with that. AJ, when you say pass the stocks on to your kids, does that mean the money is never withdrawn? No, no. How do you benefit from the money in the stocks? Okay, that's a great point. Well, what you can do is if you have an account that has stocks in it, you can actually borrow against that money. Like you can do a collateralized loan. Like if you go to, I'm doing it right now with Merrill Lynch. I have some money there, and I want to go into the yacht charter business. I want to get a yacht and rent it out, and I think I'm gonna call it like the B1 or something. Or my wife would say we should call it the Bolisha, so I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm gonna borrow against my stocks to get the money because you could get really great terms on the loan, and it doesn't require you to sell any of your assets. That's how people like Elon Musk raise money to do new businesses and stuff like that. So rich people do that. They call it buy, borrow, and die. So rich people buy stuff, they don't really sell it unless they have to, and when they need money, they borrow against it. So that's something you can look into. A good class to start off with stocks, drboystockmarket.com. The first month is free. We meet today at 12. You can talk to me directly. We talk about stocks for an hour and once a week, and we also have just a ton of curriculum and books and material. And I've been running this class for about 7 or 8 years, and I tend to hoard stuff, meaning that you can go back and watch stuff that I did in 2018 in this class. So drboystockmarket.com. And also, if you sign up one person in your household, you can bring the whole family. So it's buy one, get five free. So I not only do we allow you to bring your family, we actually encourage it so that you have other people to invest with, to learn with, and to grow with. It's better to do it together than it is to do it by yourself. Hello, Dr. Boyce. Good day. I have $1,000. Where should I put it now? I would go with an ETF, maybe VOO or SPY, or if you like AI, AIQ is a good one. Tanya, I'm a furloughed single mother with 20,000 in savings. What do you suggest I do to try to make my money grow? I was comfortable investing until Trump got in office. Now the market's so volatile that it scares me. Great point. Well, Trump is going to bring the volatility for sure, but the market has just done extremely well in the last few months. And I would say this, you know, the reason my wife helped me to create the first ever Black financial therapy department is that we found that a lot of people were losing wealth because we have this financial trauma, this fear of investing. My grandmother had it.